Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, fertility specialist, 49 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. Today I am going to shed some light on a condition which affects millions of women worldwide, yet it is underdiagnosed and misunderstood. That condition is known as endometriosis. What is endometrium? So endometrium is the inner layer of the uterine cavity. This endometrium is hormone sensitive. It grows as your egg develops in the ovary. It provides implantation area for the embryo when the pregnancy happens. If the pregnancy doesn't happen, this lining is shed out in the form of bleeding. So this endometrium like tissue is implanted elsewhere, that is outside of the womb. It can be either on the surface of the ovary, it can be on the tubes, it can be on other organs or peritoneal cavity. And wherever it is implanted, it undergoes the same hormonal changes as the lining of the uterus undergoes. And it causes bleeding when you have periods at all the places it is implanted. So this condition is called as endometriosis. It takes approximately 7 to 10 years for a woman to come to the diagnosis of endometriosis due to lack of awareness, because period pain is regularized, and also because it is little difficult to diagnose this condition on scan unless there are subtle signs like ovarian endometrioma is present. But now with the advanced machines and the expertise to diagnose endometriosis and ultrasounds, it's possible to diagnose endometriosis early on so as to prevent complication and so as to prevent the loss of reproductive years so that the lady can get treatment in time. So let us spread awareness about endometriosis, because March is endometriosis awareness month and yellow is the color for endometriosis. So if you know anybody who is having abnormal heavy bleeding or having period cramps which is intolerable, where that lady has to take leave from her work or has to take medicines for the pain, please consider consulting a fertility specialist and getting a scan done from an expert to rule out endometriosis. Let us join hands together against endometriosis so all these women suffering in silence get their answer and treatment early, and endometriosis can be treated in time. Thank you.